So guys, for the first step, we're going to right click on the Windows Start icon, then click on Device Manager. Once we're on it, we're going to expand System Devices, and then we're going to look for High Definition Audio Controller. So I've got two of them, you may have more or maybe just one. Once we find it, we're going to right click on it and then click on Update Driver. And then you want to search automatically for drivers. If it's already been installed, the best version, then we're going to go back and click on Browse My Computer for drivers. And then click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And then you want to install everything that will come up here. So just try all of them, so click on it and then click on Next and then see if that works. You want to do this for all of the high definition audio controllers that you have. If that's still not working, then we're going to expand sound, video and game controllers, and then you want to look for Realtek R Audio. We're going to right click on it and click on Update Driver and do the exact same thing again. So search automatically. If it's already been installed, we're going to go back, browse from my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list. And then you want to install everything that comes up here and then see if that works. If that's still not working, then just go into any web browser, type in Realtek Audio Driver Windows 11, or just go to the link in the description. And then I'm going to go to the Intel website. And then you can just download it here and install it. Once you install it, just restart your computer and the problem should be fixed.